Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Alice and Emmy's Vinegar Cooking Show. Today we're learning about emulsifiers. So an emulsifier is a colloidal dispersion of two immiscible liquids, either water and oil or oil and water. And in order for an emulsion to happen, we need an emulsifying agent in order to maintain the stability of the emulsion. So emulsifiers contain a hydrophobic tail and a hydrophilic head. And the whole purpose of this is for the emulsifier to mix these two, the tail and the head, in order to make a successful emulsion. And we're going to use 2 tablespoons of honey mustard. And let's see how it goes. Our sample will consist of our famous vinagracious vinaigrette without our emulsifier, which is the honey mustard. And our second sample will consist of our great amount of honey mustard in order to prove the importance of the necessary amount of emulsifier, which that will be in third trial.
Now we're going to start cooking. First we add 3/4 of a cup of olive oil into a bowl. Then we add 1/4 of a cup of apple vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, then 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Then we add just a bit of pepper to see, and now we can see what our mix looks like without an emulsifier. Then we put in 5 tablespoons of mustard. We are now mixing. We can see that with this amount of mustard, our vinaigrette will not work. On the second try, we're going to repeat the whole process again, but this time we're going to do something different. Instead of 5 tablespoons of mustard, we're only going to add 2. We hope to see a much clearer and smooth emulsion. And now that the emulsion is done, we can see that it is much clearer and good to go. Now we have a comparison of the first try and the second try, one with 2 spoons and the next one with 5 spoons.
You can see our vinaigrette without our emulsifier looks damp and unmixed. But then we placed a great amount which caused breaking in our emulsion. But then we added the ideal amount and created the good emulsion, which successfully makes the homogeneity of our vinaigrette. So thank you very much and have a nice day.